How to use and add DeepSeek V3 in Cursor. Let's get started. First, install Cursor. For that, navigate to the website cursor.com. Once you're over here, download it. Then unzip the downloaded file and run the installer to complete the installation. Then visit the DeepSeek platform and create an account. After logging in, navigate to the API section to generate your unique API key. This key will authenticate your request. Open Cursor Settings, launch Cursor and go to Settings, Cursor Settings, click on Add Modal, enter DeepSeek or DeepSeek Coder as the modal name. Enable the modal by toggling the switch next to it. Enter your DeepSeek API key in the OpenAI API key field. Enable the Override OpenAI base URL option. Input api.deepseek.com/v1 as the base URL. Click Verify button to ensure that Cursor can successfully connect to the DeepSeek API. With the integration complete, you can now utilize DeepSeek's V3's capabilities within Cursor. Use features like code completion, intelligent suggestions, and more to enhance your development workflow. By following these steps, you can effectively integrate DeepSeek V3 into Cursor, enhancing your coding environment with powerful AI-driven assistance. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.